So me and Russell are on our way out to a kind of mountain location, little mountain terrain area, pretty far off the grid. So we're hoping to head out to this new location today and get some good kind of just smooth cinematic footage. I really want to get some kind of mountain shots and mountain terrain, kind of that epic drone footage scenario thing. But thank you guys for checking out the video. I'm Mr. Gauss, and I hope you guys have fun with this flight.
This better be the last time, even though I always say that. Still feels like the first time. Wasn't it the best we ever had? Breathing it in, breathing it out, loving like it's dangerous. Keeping it up, breaking it down, baby, it was made for us. And I know that someone gotta go. I'm looking for the door, but my feet won't take me. Might as well be under your spell. I'm fighting like hell, but you keep me paralyzed. Oh yeah, keep me paralyzed. Can't run from your witchcraft. Wouldn't even want to if I could. Nowhere to turn, I can see that. Cause maybe you're the best I've had. And I know it's bad for us, but it feels so good to me. There ain't no reason to rush, cause it's all we'll ever need. Yeah. Breathing it in, feeling it out, loving like it's dangerous. Keeping it up, breaking it down, baby, it was made for us. And I know that someone gotta go. I'm looking for the door, but my feet won't take me. Might as well be under your spell. I'm fighting like hell, but you keep me paralyzed. Keep me paralyzed. Loving like it's dangerous. Keeping it up, breaking it down, baby, it was made for us. And I know someone gotta go. Looking for the door, but my feet won't move. Might as well be under your spell. Fighting like hell, but you keep me paralyzed.
Cows are pissed.
Cows are pissed.
Yeah, they are. Thanks for checking in with me. I'm Mr. Gauss. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, get all the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!